one vow in God's embrace, a covenant sealed by His boundless grace. In faith and love you stand as one, a journey together just begun. What God has joined, let none divide. In His great love forever abide. Through joy and trials His hand will guide, a holy union side by side. Like Christ and His church, your love will grow in patience and kindness, His ways to show. Submit in love, serve with delight, reflecting His glory day and night. Build your home on the rock that stands, with faith as your anchor, guided hand. Pray together, let His will be done, for two have now become one. What God has joined, let none divide. In His great love forever abide. Through joy and trials His hand will guide, a holy union side by side. So we sing this blessing over you. May your love stay faithful, strong and true. Walk in His Spirit, your hearts aligned, a godly marriage by His design. May your days be filled with grace and peace, His joy abounding, love never cease.